What is going on, guys? Chase here, back with another trading video. Good morning, everyone. Obviously, we did win our trade. We're on like a 3-week win streak. Undefeated, never lost. No, I'm just kidding. But welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're just going to be going over today's trades, how we took them, what you guys could have done to become profitable and make thousands of dollars here in the markets. Because recently, a lot of people have been saying that the price has been moving weird, but it's been moving really textbook-like. So if you guys know your textbook, plays and indicators like your fair value gaps, your CISDs, you guys are going to become obviously way more profitable in the markets. So we're going to go over today's price action and our charts. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Side note, bro, but it low-key is so cold outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is. I don't even know what's on the computer, but it has been so cold recently. I don't know what has been going on. But yeah, let's hop straight to the video. Got some stuff to eat. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so welcome back. We are going to be starting a new series. Let me shrink my face cam out. So we're going to be starting a new series. Every single day we're going to be going over trade recaps just to give you guys a little bit of a rundown of what happens every single day when we trade in the Discord and how you guys could have caught our plays right now. I'm on a 3-week win streak, have not lost. Caught a few $100 play today off of some multiple fundeds. We had our students passing our fundeds. It was a really, really good day. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So right here, obviously we trade MNQ futures every single day. We look at ES as well, but I like trading MNQ. And so just right off the morning, we had a big spike to the upside and then just 3 big candles down. Now this is going to be our 9. I don't even know if this is 9 or not, but yeah, this is 9:30. Right at market open, we had a huge rally up and then just a bunch of drop down back into a big fair value gap. And this was also a 5-minute as well, just for a little bit of a higher time frame confluence. We had our 5-minute here. We dropped all the way down. Still, we don't really know what to do when it comes with our bias right now. So we're gonna let this kind of play out here. So this was kind of right in the morning. Then we obviously had our nice leg up, creating some fair value gaps, tapped back down into that. And we're just kind of rallying up right now. If you did want to enter longs, you could have. But so right here, we had a spike up, down, back into this fair value gap, immediately rejected off of with a sequence of bullish candles. Then we had our big spike up, creating new highs, dropping down. But where we entered the trade is actually, let me select the bar right here. So, huge rejection candle. I mean, this is literally the Drake of bullish hammer candles. And so we switched to a 5-minute here, and we are on an uptrend because we're making new highs. We see, boom, right here, we see a 5-minute fair value gap that price is currently tapping into with this big bullish rejection candle right here. After sweeping all of this liquidity, we see a rejection candle. So what do we do here? We entered in our first long position, targeting new highs, and obviously we like to keep our stop losses tight, and we're putting that stop loss close. So I know a lot of you guys put your stop losses when it wicks this end of the fair value gap. So like if you're trading, right, and you see like, so if you're trading like a fair value gap, say, and you're trading, if it say I put a long to go up, but then it goes down here, it's like doing, and it wicks it and then goes back up, but doesn't close below this line. So if it's just a wick, not a candle, we're still in that trade. So with that being said, we enter longs right here. Let's target new highs. Let's watch this play out here, because it did wick off, but it never closed. The ICT candle closes, and then just a rally up here to the upside. And then as well, we're continuing this uptrend. If you guys go to the 45-minute chart, we are, just broke. We just broke basically this whole trend that's been happening for months. We just broke these new highs. So we weren't able to test new highs here, and now we're testing highs. So really, I mean, we could target more levels with this. So if you guys did want to enter in another long position at this big 1 minute fair value gap, I don't know how this did play out, but I mean, to me, this does looks like a really good setup. Let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, you have a 5 minute that actually is all the way down here. Price is tapping into this if you did want to enter early or wanted to wait a little bit. But I mean, the 1 minute was right there. Double confluence. You can target, if you did enter longs, you could target, you know, new highs here with this. And then obviously keep your stops. I would probably keep my stops below the 1 minute, just because price rejected the tapped off of this 1 minute as well. So a nice little almost 2 RR. We can go ahead and watch this trade play out here if you guys do want. Oh, never mind. So we can't, because this is live data. This is live data. I am quite literally stupid. Anyway, that was what we did today. I'll go over kind of what fair value gaps are if you guys do want to know. So we have our fair value gaps, and then we have our inverse fair value gaps. And so what these two things are imbalances of price that price tends to move off of or play off of. All right, so a fair value gap is going to be 3, not 2, 3 candles moving in the same direction and one trend. All right, so your fair value gap in this case, you guys can pause the video. I'll give you 5 seconds to go ahead and mark out where is our fair value gap range. All right, so now that you're back in the video, our fair value gap range is going to be where this first or this third, whatever you want to label it, we can label 1, 2, and 3, where the first candle's low, you're going to slice through that. Third candle's high, you're going to slice through that. Now, we have 3 different sectors here. So this can be our first sector, second sector, third sector. What is going to be our fair value gap in this situation? It's going to be our second sector. So it's going to be your range, your gap between the 2 candles. Inverse, confluently the same thing. When you have 3 candles up, you see your fair value gap. This is your range. And then you have 2 or more candles, not even 2 or more, but 2 candles that close. Now, a lot of people like to say a wick is an inverse, but we need to close the inverse or the fair value gap to inverse it. And that's what's going to be called our inverse fair value gap. Now, price has been tending to move off of these. And as you guys can see, our play is currently working out here. But price tends to move off of these while we are trading the markets. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. This is going to be a new series where I'm basically just going over, every single day, just to make sure that you guys know how to keep up with the markets and just giving you real life trading, real life examples, not just going back in a chart and giving you guys an A+ setup that basically never happens. Today's setup, to be honest, really wasn't that bad. This is the only thing that really tripped me out. But I mean, still, we saw a fair value gap, saw the rejection candle. The biggest thing is just to enter and be confident with your trades. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and comment down below basically anything that you guys do want me to do, cover any topics. We currently are holding a Valentine's Day special if you did want to go ahead and trade with the Richcraft group this whole week for free. As soon as you click the link, it'll start your 7-day free trial. And then you guys can come trade with us. Obviously, we're going to win. We haven't lost. So we haven't lost in 3 weeks. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you guys subscribe. Peace.